In this video, we're going to show you how to add users to your Process.st account quickly and easily, so you can start collaborating with your team. Whether you're setting up your workspace or adding new team members to workflows, you'll be able to do this in just a few simple steps. To add users to your Process.st account, first make sure you're logged into your account. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll see the People tab under the Account Settings. Click on that and you'll be brought to the page where you can manage your users. If you're a team admin or owner, you'll have access to this section. Once you're on the People page, you'll see an Invite Users button in the top right. Clicking that will open a pop-up where you can add multiple users at once by typing in their email addresses. Make sure to enter the correct emails as they'll receive invitations to join your workspace. You can also choose what role each user will have. You'll typically see options like owner, admin, or member, each with different permission levels. If you're not sure which one to choose, member is typically a safe bet for most users, while admin or owner are for team leads or those who need full access to everything. Once you've entered the emails and chosen the right roles, click the Send Invites button. Each person you invite will receive an email with a link to join your workspace. They can follow the instructions, set up their account, and start collaborating with your team on Process.st. If you need to remove or adjust user roles later on, it's just as easy. Simply return to the People tab, find the user you want to update, and click the three dots next to their name. You can either change their role or remove them entirely from your workspace. Another great feature of Process.st is that you can add users to specific workflows or process templates. This can be done when you're editing a workflow. Simply scroll down to the Assigned Users section, and you'll be able to add users who should be involved with that particular process. You can choose individuals or groups based on your workspace's setup. One thing that's important to note is that if you're on a free plan, your ability to add users is limited. The free version allows you to have one workspace with one user. But don't worry, if you need more users or advanced features, Process.st has affordable pricing plans that scale with your needs. Plus, if you check out the first link in the description below, you'll get exclusive access to a free trial, so you can test out all the features and add as many users as you need without any commitment. Adding users to your Process.st account is a quick process, but it's also crucial for growing your workflows and collaborating efficiently. Whether you're managing a team or working on a project with external clients, having the right people in the right processes is key to getting things done. So, don't forget, if you want to try out Process.st for free with an extended trial, check the link below. This bonus is only available for a limited time, and you can take full advantage of the software's capabilities without having to commit right away. By now, you should know how to add users to your Process.st account and manage them effectively, so your team can hit the ground running with this powerful tool.